Furnace, sparks of every scar I've earned. Concrete veins, they pulse with fire. Every breath, a blade that burns. The shadows scream the same old song, a broken clock that never stops. I'm wired to the edge of madness. No turn-off switch, just endless shock. Feel the hammer, rattle in my skull in time. Every beat a pounding echo. I'm a prisoner of the grind. No respite from the pain. It's a war inside my brain. Ripping through my skin, I'm screaming. Sirens call my name. I'm marching through a field of glass. Each step a crack that's never tamed. The world's a furnace and I'm the coal. Fuel for every broken hymn. The pain's a beast that never sleeps. I feed it, watch it gnash, watch it grin. Every wound a roadmap, every scar a sign. The sun's a dying ember, the moon a shattered line. In the silence after thunder, I hear the echo stay, but the roar won't let me rest. It drags me back to no respite from the pain. The chain won't ever break. Feel the hammer, feel the flame. We're the broken, we're the damned. We're the ones they can't replace. No mercy, no rest. We ride the fire, we own the night. We're the storm you can't erase. Feel free to crank the amp to 11 and let the crowd scream every line back to you. No mercy.